Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Hope you guys are good today. For me, I am so good. All right, so I had a client just walk into the salon and was like, she wants to change her hair color from natural hair, which is color 2, that's a natural black color, to ginger color, bold sort of hairstyle or sort of color. And I just decided to film the whole process for you guys to see, and also for us to get chatting in the comment section, and to also know if this is how or the process you guys take when you want to color your client's hair, and for me to also show you guys my own process. And yeah, let's just get chatting in the comment section. All right, her hair is color 1. This is her hair, color 1, and it's natural. Like, she has not applied any relaxer on her hair before, so it's totally natural. So like I said before, the color she's going for is like ginger color. And we got like 2 different colors here that we are going to be using. So we didn't plan to use like 2 of them. We plan to use only 1, but something happened. You guys will get to see it in the video. All right, the first thing is just to lighten up the hair first. It's just to lighten it up so that it can be able to absorb the color that you want to apply. So for that reason, we are going to be using a bleach and a developer. And for the developer, we use like 20% developer because we just want it to slowly get to that color. We do not want it to get to the color very easily because it can actually make her hair so light to the extent that we cannot change it to what we want. So we're using this 20% developer to just, gradually transition to the color. This will actually make it easier for us to know when to stop the whole process and to wash off the bleach out of her hair. So yeah, I would advise you to use, that is if you are trying this, I would advise you to use like 20% developer. It's easier to work with for this particular process. All right, all products listed here or all products used here will be on our website www.exquisitesignature.com. It's on your screen right now, or you can check the description box below to patronize us. We sell all products. We sell products that we use here on this channel, and we also have lovely luxury hairs, almost all different textures, guys. So yeah, our hairs are top notch, and they are hairs that you can use for a long time. All right, back to the application. Just like relaxing the hair, so I'm just going to go ahead to section the hair into 4 different portions before I start the application. And for the application, we'll be applying the product really fast because of the bleach we use, because the bleaching products we have in our country tends to be very quick in action. So that's why I'm going to be very fast to the application. Using gloves for the application, and as I'm applying, I'm kind of avoiding the scalp of her hair or the root of her hair or her scalp, just so that it doesn't cause like irritation around the scalp. And I am applying it just on the tip of the hair. Then we just kind of massage the hair a little bit so that it can penetrate down to the root of her hair. And for her edges, she says she doesn't want the hair to look all colored around her edges, so we're just going to leave like the edges area. We're going to leave that part just so that it will look like the color is already lifting. Hope you guys get what I mean. So right now the hair is already changing. Even with the fact that we use 20% developer, the hair is changing really fast. Like I told you guys, the bleach we will already have here, or the bleach that we have here in our country, tends to be very fast or very quick in action. Won't allow the hair to completely change color, so we're just going to quickly wash off the product out of her hair. And we're going to use just shampoo. We won't use conditioner because we're still going to process. We're still going to add more chemicals to the hair, so we're just going to use only shampoo, like a neutralizing shampoo on the hair. And this is what it looks like after washing the product out, after washing the developer and the bleach out of the hair. All right, after washing, this is the next color or product we are going to be using. And yeah, exactly what she wanted, just like the girl's color or just like the girl's hair color in the pack. This is exactly the color she wanted initially, so we're just going to go ahead to start mixing the product. And inside the product, it came with this bleach and activator. We just go ahead to mix the two together before applying it on her hair. It also came with like an organ oil treatment that we apply after the whole process, and also it came with like a conditioner that we're going to still use, but a conditioner and a shampoo that we're going to still use after the whole process. So we're just going to go ahead to apply just the bleach and the activator. So we're going to mix the two together and apply it on her hair. But before application, remember we washed her hair initially, so we are just going to use a hand dryer to dry the hair first.
It's so cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want.
Together with this rich dye in dark brown, just a little bit of the rich dye in dark brown, then mix it together with the adult dye. After mixing, we just start applying it on her hair, same way we applied the other colors, section into different portions and then apply it. So it's already, like you guys can see, it's already changing. The color is already changing to almost something she wanted. So yeah, after applying, we're just going to use shower cap to just cover the hair as well. We'll cover the hair and then wait for like 15 minutes so that the hair will absorb the new product. That's the adult dye, and the rich dye is going to absorb the. And yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the outcome. After washing the hair with a neutralizing shampoo, then we use a conditioner to just soften the hair a little bit and bring back like the regular texture the hair had before, like a soft texture, because you know, you guys, we used like chemicals on her hair, so we needed to like bring back the normal texture of the hair, which is like a soft kind of texture. After washing, we're using this hand dryer to dry the share to friends and family, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't. If you are new here, just go ahead and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.